straight across to Mumbai at Sushant Singh Rajput's residence, where the forensic team of the CBI has just left after over 5 hours of investigation. The CBI team that was accompanying the forensic team to recreate the sequence of events with eyewitnesses is also leaving the scene. My colleague Anuj and others have been tracking the details very closely. We'll go across to my colleague Jyotsna first up. Let's see what she's reporting from there.
सीबीआई के ऑफिशियल्स यहाँ पर आए थे, कुल 12 लोग आए थे, जिसमें 2 गाड़ियाँ मेडिकल एक्सपर्ट्स की थी, सीएफएसएल की टीम की थी और बाकी की गाड़ियों में सीबीआई के ऑफिशियल्स थे। क्राइम रिक्रिएशन के लिए यहाँ पर पहुंची थी। कुक नीरज यहाँ पर था, सिद्धार्थ पिठानी यहाँ पर था और साथ ही दीपेश सावंत भी था। तीनों गाड़ी में साथ जाते हुए सीबीआई ने कहाँ लेकर जा रही है सुचरिता, मैं आगे बढ़ के फॉलो करने की कोशिश करती हूँ, लेकिन जो क्राइम रिक्रिएशन के लिए पहुंची थी यहाँ पर टीम, उनसे समझने के लिए वो टीम अपना जांच करके आगे बढ़ रही है। तस्वीरें लगातार मैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ। सुचर
All right, so that's the CBI team and the forensic team leaving Sushant Singh Rajput's residence after 5 hours of investigation there. My colleague Anuj is also joining us live. Anuj, tell us the latest. Anything that the CBI team has mentioned at all? Is their investigation and recreation at Sushant's residence over completely, or are they expected to be back again?
Time what we are seeing and learning that the CBI officials are now coming out. Earlier it was the forensic team which came out, and now this is CBI officials who are coming out. So what we are expecting and what we are seeing at this point in time, that the recreation for today is over. We will have to wait for the official confirmation whether they are planning to come back tomorrow or what is their next move. But at this point in time, what we understand for the day, it's looking like that the recreation of the scene is completed. Let me also remind you that Neeraj was there, Pithani was there. So the people who were present on 14th of June, they all were called in by the CBI officials. Even the police officials who were called in on 14th of June, from the Mumbai police, they were also called in to participate in the recreation and to join the investigation which is on by the CBI officials. So what we are seeing and what we are understanding, that CBI official after today at the end of the second day is coming out with these kind of coming out with after the recreation at Sushant Singh residence. We have also seen that earlier in the day there was Neeraj who was called in for the questioning. This was Pithani who was called in for the questioning. But now what we are understanding after the recreation and after going through the details, the recreation seems like to be completed at Sushant Singh residence. We have to wait officially what CBI says on the same and what is going to be their next move. But as of till now, it's looking like that because the forensic team leaves earlier from the spot, and now these are the cars of the CBI official. Let me tell you that this was the convoy of almost around 7 cars, including the forensic team and the CBI officials who were inside the Sushant's residence. The questioning was happening therein by the guard also. The register was looked up by the CBI official, the entry register at the guard room, that what would have happened or whatsoever are the entries of 14th of June at Sushant's residence. So every angle, every aspect has been looked up by the CBI official. Now we are waiting for the official confirmation that what is going to be next, what is their next move, whether they will be calling to the keymaker also, because what we have been told that this is also going to be a part of the investigation, that they will be calling the keymaker also, because Pithani was the one who called the keymaker, and there are some suspects, there are some reason to think on the other way, as if they were very normal when the keymaker was called in. So all these point has been taken up by the CBI, and CBI is thoroughly working on the same. Although the collection of evidence is what what we have been told is already done. Rather, the Mumbai police and the Bandra police officials has been already questioned by the CBI officials, and even a team of CBI was also there at the hospital where they had word with a team of the doctors of the hospital who conducted the postmortem. So there is to wait and watch what exactly will be the move of CBI, but what we understand at this point in time is that they are coming out, and now this is to wait and watch what exactly will be the next move of CBI official from the residence of Sushant Singh. Yes.
Right, my colleague Alisha is also joining us. Alisha, after 5 hours of recreating the scene with the eyewitnesses, with the key individuals whose testimonies is extremely important, Neeraj, Siddharth Pithani and Dipesh Sawant, the CBI and the forensic team have now left. Tell us more of what you're picking up.
देखिए बिल्कुल सीबीआई की टीम जहां पर करीबन 5 घंटे के बाद जहां सुशांत सिंह के घर दिखना है कि उनके अगला मूव क्या होगा, क्योंकि जहां तक करीबन जो टीम यहां पर पहुंची थी और करीबन 5 घंटे तक का जो पूरा क्राइम सीन को रिक्रिएट करने के बाद, जिसमें खुद जो की विटनेस सिद्धार्थ पिठानी, नीरज सिंह ये खुद मौजूद थे, फॉरेंसिक की टीम मौजूद थी और लगातार एक तरफा वहां पर हमने देखा कि जो फिर चाहे टेररिस्ट के तौर पर देखा जाए या फिर उनके घर के अंदर जो है पूरा क्राइम सीन को रिक्रिएट करते हुए सीबीआई की टीम वहां पर थी और उनके साथ फॉरेंसिक की टीम थी। और सबसे पहले अभी जहां पर 5 घंटे के बाद खुद फॉरेंसिक की टीम जो है सबसे पहले निकली थी, उसके बाद अब सीबीआई की टीम निकली है, जहां पर हम उनको फॉलो कर रहे हैं। लगातार उनके पीछे हम दिख रहे हैं कि जो तस्वीरें फिलहाल दिखाई दे रही है वो जो सीबीआई की टीम है उनके ओर से दिखाई दे रही है, जहां पर खुद जो है उनके लगातार हम उनके पीछे। और अभी फिलहाल जो है यहाँ से कार्टर रोड से निकलकर अब बांद्रा के यहाँ पर वो पहुंचे हैं। तो एक तरफा 5 घंटे का जो उन्होंने जो क्राइम सीन को जो रिक्रिएट किया था, उसके बाद अब फॉरेंसिक की टीम और सीबीआई की टीम जो वहां से सुशांत सिंह के घर से निकल चुकी है।
All right, let's go back across to Anuj as well. So what has happened today is the fact that CBI with the forensic team have visited Sushant's residence, have tried to recreate the sequence of events. Top on the agenda, Anuj, would be to do the demi tests that were being talked about, to take any more clues from the scene. Of course, it's been over 2 months, so very little could be preserved. That is also one of the big allegations against the Mumbai police, that they let the scene itself get contaminated in the immediate aftermath of Sushant's body being found as well. So they would at least do their own due diligence. Then, of course, the other thing was to go through the testimonies and the statements of the eyewitnesses, especially the cook and Siddharth Pithani, who were there when the body was first found, because there have been some discrepancies that have come to light. So that is what the CBI team has done today. Of course, we don't know whether this would be over, at least at the scene itself today, or there would be more required. But this is the first very important step that the CBI has completed today. Anuj.
Well, exactly. This is very important step as the CBI has completed today, as we do understand that CBI has connected the dots, CBI has done the inquiries, CBI has called Neeraj, Pithani and all the people who were present on the 14th of June. So they have connected the dots, they have visited different places, like they have visited the hospital, like they were there at the Bandra police station. So after connecting the dots, after collecting the evidences, finally the recreation of the scene happened today at Sushant Singh Rajput's residence, and after that now the CBI and the forensic team left from Sushant Singh Rajput's residence. So what we have been told that this is going to be the next step from the CBI now, that they will be coming out rather with something, that what exactly has happened and what exactly they have gathered, because they were earlier, like since from yesterday they landed in Mumbai, we were seeing a CBI team in action, and what we were seeing, that they were questioning the people whosoever is involved. They went to the Bandra police station twice, once yesterday, one today, and they were there in the hospital also. They were talking to the hospital doctors who conducted the postmortem. So after recreation, the next step will be of CBI to wait and watch that what exactly will be they coming out with, because they have gone through everything. They have collected the evidence. They have taken everything in their hand, and after recreation, now this is going to be the next level, what we are waiting for. Yes.
Let's also go across to Alisha, because even as we keep an eye on what one team of the CBI with the forensic experts did at Sushant's residence, Alisha, I want you to elaborate a little bit more on what else the CBI has done since they came to Mumbai. It's a fairly extensive, large team of the CBI. They've divided themselves into various teams. They spoke to the doctors at Cooper Hospital also. So tell us a little bit more about what else has happened in the last 48 hours.
देखिए, परसों के दिन जहाँ पर खुद 7:30 बजे तक मुंबई में खुद सीबीआई के जो ऑफिसर्स है, करीबन 15 ऑफिसर्स है जो वहाँ पर पहुंचे थी, जिनको लीड करते हुए सीबीआई की एसपी नुपुर प्रसाद, इन सभी जो सीबीआई की टीम को लीड करती थी। वहीं पर कल हमने देखा जो डेवलपमेंट, सबसे पहले जहाँ पर सीबीआई की टीम के ओर से जो है 5 जगह पर जो है बांटा गया था टीम को, 5 टीम बनाई गई थी, जिसमें से एक बांद्रा पुलिस स्टेशन पर पहुंची थी। सबसे पहले जब पर खुद सीबीआई एसपी नुपुर प्रसाद डीसीपी त्रिमुखी अभिषेक त्रिमुखी से मुलाकात की, करीबन 35 मिनट की मुलाकात की गई थी। उसके बाद खुद जो है बांद्रा पुलिस स्टेशन के इन्वेस्टिगेशन ऑफिसर इंस्पेक्टर भूषण बेलनेकर, इनका स्टेटमेंट रिकॉर्ड किया गया था। पर इतना ही नहीं, साथ ही जो एविडेंस थे वो सारे कलेक्ट किए, जिसमें से पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट, ऑटोप्सी रिपोर्ट, वेंचरा रिपोर्ट, सीसीटीवी फुटेजेस या अन्य जो इम्पोर्टेंट सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स हो या सारे इंफॉर्मेशन हो, वो कलेक्ट किए गए थे। वही दूसरी जो टीम है वो खुद जो है सामल मनंडा जो कि उनसे पूछताछ करने के लिए खुद मरोल में पहुंची थी सीबीआई की टीम, जहां पर सामल मनंडा से करीबन 5 से 6 घंटे की पूछताछ की गई। उसके बाद जो तीसरी टीम देखी गई थी कि खुद सीबीआई हेडक्वार्टर जो कि मुंबई की बीकेसी में है, वहां पर एक टीम थी। वही चौथी टीम जो कि एक ट्रांसलेशन के लिए सभी टीमों को रखा गया था। तो एक तरफा हमने देख रहे हैं कि सीबीआई जैसे ही मुंबई पहुंचती है, उसके बाद एक प्लान बनाया गया था, एक प्रॉपर प्लान बनाया गया था, जिसको देखते हुए कल 5 टीम में बटी गई थी। वहीं पर आज सुबह से लेकर हम देख रहे हैं डेवलपमेंट, जहाँ पर सबसे पहले कूपर हॉस्पिटल में सीबीआई की टीम पहुंची थी, और इसी कूपर हॉस्पिटल में जहां पर सबसे पहले कूपर के डीन पिनाकिन से बात की गई थी, वहां से उनका एक परमिशन की जरूरत थी, क्योंकि जो डॉक्टर, जो कि 5 डॉक्टर जिन्होंने सुशांत सिंह का पोस्टमार्टम कंडक्ट किया था, उन्हीं 5 डॉक्टर से आज स्टेटमेंट रिकॉर्ड की। करीबन 2 घंटे तक की पूछताछ जो है उन डॉक्टरों से की गई थी। वही दूसरी ओर मुंबई पुलिस को भी मिलने के लिए यानी बांद्रा पुलिस स्टेशन पर दूसरी टीम सीबीआई की टीम पहुंची थी, जहां उनसे ये सवाल किए गए थे कि ऑटोप्सी रिपोर्ट के लिए जब ऑटोप्सी रिपोर्ट बनाई गई थी या पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट बनाई गई थी, उस समय सेकेंड ओपिनियन क्यों नहीं लिया गया, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं पर ऑटोप्सी रिपोर्ट को लेकर सीबीआई का संदेह है कि ये मिसलीडिंग की गई है, उसको मिसगाइड किया गया है, और प्रॉपर ऑटोप्सी रिपोर्ट जो है वो मुंबई पुलिस की ओर से नहीं बनाई गई। उसके बाद सभी की सभी हमने देखा कि 7 गाड़ियां जो है वो सुशांत के घर पर पहुंची थी, जिसमें सिद्धार्थ पिठानी, नीरज सिंह, ये जो कि की विटनेस है, और उस समय यानी 14 जून को जहां पर सिद्धार्थ पिठानी और नीरज सिंह उस कमरे में मौजूद थे जिस दिन सुशांत सिंह की डेथ हो गई थी, उनको लेकर खुद क्राइम सीन जो है वो क्रिएट किया गया, और करीबन 5 घंटे के बाद सबसे पहले टीम जो कि सीबीआई
Alisha, we'll continue to come back to you, and Anuj, we have to slip into a very short break, but on the other side, we keep getting more updates from Mumbai. The CBI and the forensic team leave Sushant Singh Rajput's residence after piecing together the sequence of events from June 14.